Once upon a time, there were two best friends named Alex and Ben. They studied in the same school and spent every day together. They helped each other with homework, played games, and shared their lunch. One day, their school announced a science competition. Alex was excited and wanted to participate. Ben also joined the competition. They worked hard on their projects for several weeks. As the competition day came closer, Alex's project was accidentally damaged. He felt sad and worried because he had spent a lot of time on it. Seeing his friend's problem, Ben decided to help. Even though he was busy with his own project, he spent hours helping Alex repair his model. On the day of the competition, both friends presented their projects. Alex won first prize, and Ben won second prize. When everyone congratulated Alex, he said, "I could not have done this without my friend Ben. He helped me when I needed it most." The judges were impressed by their friendship and teamwork. They gave both friends a special award for showing the true meaning of friendship.